Now I can make parameters to these lines. So I go to the align dimensions, and these three lines must be equal in the distance between them. So it's used for when we want to change the sizes. So from left or right they are equal. Then I have to make a parameter for these, and I made these equal to. So another parameter is the thickness. For adding this is not important. I go to one of the elevations, for example front. I draw the line and reference plane like this. I use this when our family have different types. Okay, maybe the thing which you are modeling have different sizes, so it is better to use the reference planes for help to make a shape with different sizes. I use smaller tolerance. Then I try to input the parameters. In the front view, I select the dimension. With three methods you can use parameters. Right click, select it, right click, label, add parameter, and I add one parameter, for example or it means thickness. Okay, this window is parameter properties window, and first option is family parameters and shared parameters. So I use the family parameters. It's type or instance. I use type. When you use type, so your parameter belongs to one of the main parameters, and if you want to change it, you must go to the edit type. But if you use instance, it is going to the sub window, okay, in here. So we use the type, and they have some other differences which I will explain them later. These parameters now related. So we close these views, and then I return to the reference level. I add the parameter to this. For example, W. The second method is after you select the dimension, you can go to the label, create parameter. I input the name, for example W, and then use the type in the radio button option and group parameter. Okay, and the last method to adding the parameter, you can go to create family type. Those previous parameter has been added here. Go to new and here and L, and add L because it's a noun to what is this parameter. You can change the discipline or type of parameter, and I use the group parameters and use type. And edit tool type, you can add 250 character as a tooltip for this parameter. Now the L amount is 0. Then I go do this and select this dimension, and from the label select the parameter which I made it. So this is the third method. After you assign the parameters from the property section, family categories and parameters, you can select, and in this window, because it is the electrical equipment, I select the electrical fixtures. Please mention that because we need to see that as a tag. So I show you the PDF file to see is better. This is the floor plan view. And as a tag, it's better to select the electrical fixtures and maintain annotation orientation. It's important, and please enable this checkbox.